Today I'm going to show you a photo restoration trick to remove red eye from old photos with just a couple of words and a couple of clicks. We'll be using Google's Nano Banana Gemini2.5 Flash Image, which you can use to edit red eye photos on iPhone, Android, or desktop. I'm in Google AI Studio at aistudio.google.com. I am logged in, and I'm going to click here on Try Nano Banana Gemini2.5 Flash Image and this plus sign down here, and upload a file. I'm going to open an ancient photo with red eyes taken with an actual camera, and that flash caused red eyes and you can't tell what's going on here. So I'm going to fix this, and I'm going to change this and change nothing else. I'm going to scrape out this default text here and paste in a very simple prompt. Remove red eye in the attached photo and restore the eye color to natural blue. Do not change anything else in the picture. Run the prompt. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Fantastic. So we went from this monstrosity to perfect blue eyes with just a couple of words and a couple of clicks. If you found this helpful, please subscribe for more practical AI tutorials.